Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get effortless beach waves without using any heat. You're not going to need a curling iron at all to get this amazing, simple, super easy style. And as far as the giveaway goes, I'm going to be giving away the Joico K-Pack shampoo. This is so amazing. I'm going to tell you guys how you can win this giveaway at the end of the video. But for now, let's get some effortless waves. So my hair is wet. And I went ahead and I brushed it. Make sure that when you do brush your hair, you use one that's like purposely made for like wet hair. I know some of these brushes are. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair in the middle, and I'll put like a loose little band around this one just to keep it together. And I'm gonna start braiding my hair from the top all the way down to the bottom. And since you're gonna be sleeping on your hair, or you're gonna have it stay braided all day long, don't make it so tight that like your scalp literally hurts. It's okay if it's a little bit loose, as long as you're comfortable having it in the braided style for a majority of the day or night. So I'm gonna start by, the easiest way is literally just to grab almost like a triangle patch and start braiding from there. So I'm gonna do a simple braid, and with every strand I'm going to grab a little bit from the side and add to it. So I'm going to grab a little bit from this side and grab it, and I'm just literally going to repeat this all the way down. In my opinion, it is best to just sleep with your hair this way, so you don't even care if half of your braid is kind of like crooked or some chunks are thicker than the rest, because you don't necessarily need to look good while you're sleeping. It's when you wake up. Okay, one side is done. I'm gonna do the same exact thing on the other side. Now that I have both of my braids in place, I'm going to take some hairspray and I'm going to spray it from the top all the way down to the bottom. This is going to be the best way for you to get really great beach waves without actually having to use any heat on your hair. If you want to skip the products, you can entirely, but I feel like adding a little bit of hairspray helps it kind of like dry in that perfect wave situation. So I'm going to leave my hair like this all day, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's dry and I open it up. Alright guys, I slept on my hair all night long. Because I made the curls really loose, it was actually really comfortable. And I'm going to open up my braids now and show you guys the curls. And if you don't want it to be really curly, you just want a little bit of waves, just either don't sleep on it or have it during the day, or just take out the braids earlier. My hair holds a curl pretty well, but it also, depending on the weather, can fall flat quickly. And I knew that today it wasn't gonna stay super straight. I mean super curly. And now I'm just gonna literally brush it out with my fingers. I'm gonna finish styling it, but just so you guys see, here are the curls or the waves that you can get without actually having to use a curling iron. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to win our giveaway, you have to be subscribed to our channel. You need to like this video, and you need to leave a comment below. See you guys next time.